Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to practice gestures. I'm going to show you my way. I'm going to put the website in the description. Check it out. It's line of action, really good. Set up your time. Display each image for 40 seconds, 60 seconds. I would say 60 seconds is good. The easiest way you can do it is just follow the way he moves, like with the stick, like a stick man, you know, when you're doodling. Just hitting the motion as a stick man go way easier. It's holding something, a book. Oh, this. And there. It's kind of cape. Easy. Remember, doesn't have to be perfect. Down. Time. Be easier. So. Boom. Breathe. 30 seconds. This. It's a perfect. Yeah, this one's pretty easy. Next. There's nothing more. Now you have 40 more seconds. I can. Muscles. A lot of things going on there. It's not a good gesture. This one's nice. It's a nice flow. I love to draw gestures that have one single motion, like him. Head here, easy back with the head, can easily go to the leg. This one, upper arm, he's using, easily draw the other leg. Also, don't focus on 100%. Oh, that's it. That's how I draw gestures. I know it's not really fancy like those on Pinterest, but they took more time. This is about learning the way they move, capturing the motion. That's why I do it like this. You know, I don't know. Just if the stickman, it's way easier. And then when you're done with the stickman, when you have a little more time, like 20 seconds, then you can capture the motion, like on the body, like I did here, for example, or like there, or here. If I wanted to truly go into detail, then it will take me lots of time. It's about practicing a lot of pictures, and that's how you should draw and get to know gestures, dynamic poses, and anatomy. You can do it as a warm-up, really good as a warm-up. Take like 5 minutes to warm up. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more videos, more guides, more tips for beginners. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.